Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I've been out shopping all morning with the girls. Fox is poorly, so he's here with Ben. And me and the girls went to get summer clothes and then just random bits. So I'm going to be filming two hauls. One is the first one here, which is random. And then the second one is clothes from H&M and Primark for me and the kids. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But let's begin. The first thing I got, I'm going to put a picture of it in here because Fox has already taken it into the garden. He, because he's poorly, he loves being outside, and I thought I'd treat him to something, and I got him this little wheelbarrow kit, and it is so cute. It's got a little wheelbarrow and like pretend secateurs and a watering can. So he's in the garden playing with that now, but I'll put a picture of that in there. That was £8 from Home Bargs. Another thing, which is already downstairs, I got a fan for my kitchen because I've started my baking again. If anyone wants to have any yummy stuff, just a, what is it? What's the word? I don't even know. A plug. A shameless plug of my own business. I'll leave links for you. But I'm in the utility room baking and it's really hot, so I got myself a little fan, and then I got for £14, and then I got this one for our bedroom for £19.99. And we normally have one of the big ones, but they take up so much space, and I thought this is perfect. It's just like a little tower one, really small. Obviously it's tall, but really small footprint, so that's going in our room. What else did I get? I'll do the rest of Home Bargs first. Oh my god. Crumbs. This again is for my little kitchen that I'm doing, so it's like a in a cupboard bin thing. And I got bin bags for it as well. I got vanilla scented. I wasn't paying attention to how big they are. These are far too big for it, but they'll get used. Got some Lucky Charms marshmallows. They look fun for some kind of bake that I'm going to be doing. A floor cleaner because I needed some. These for the kids. Blue raspberry lollies. Chucked some cornflakes. Again for a bake. Washing up liquid. Smell good. Oh, it does. Oh, that smells like apple sours. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Must not drink it. I got a load of Smarties for a bake. Another washing up liquid for the main kitchen because I have to have two separate ones, which is annoying. More Smarties. And I got two of these ice cube trays. But they're like silicone ones, so I can't undo it. So it's like a silicone rubbery, so I can like bake things in here and then push them out easily because it's silicone. But then they have this to hold them steady, so I've got two of those. I've got a blue one or green one and a red one. That was all from Home Bargains. And then I went to Sports Direct or JD Sports, I can't remember which one. Does it say on it where it's from? Do you say on it? Doesn't say on it, but I got a suitcase. Does it say on there? No. Like a little cabin sized suitcase. This was $59.99 reduced to $29.99. It's just a really nice suitcase because we are going on holiday in a month, and we're going to try and only take one big suitcase in the hold with our towels and stuff in, and then we're going to try and do everything else on little ones. But it's got the 4 rollers, then you can literally just drive it, which makes it much easier. Then I went to Superdrug and I got this cute little bag. And then I got a deodorant because armpits. I did try and use the wild one. Like I bought myself one of the wild ones that everybody raves about, and literally within 2 or 3 days of having it, my armpits were like just bright red and sore and horrible, and all natural deodorants that I've tried literally just rip my armpits to shreds. So as much as I want to use them, my body just really fucking hates it, so I can't. As I said, Fox is poorly, so I got some Calpol and some Calprofen, and then I did a little Revolution, because they've got Revolution in Superdrug. I got a CC cream skin tint. I was talking to the girl on the counter, and she advised medium for me rather than light, so I'll do like a video testing all of this. But yeah, that looks nice, and I love Revolution because they're like obviously vegan and cruelty free, so I got that. And then I got this little lipstick collection, contains 5 full-size lipsticks. This was £7, and there was all different ones. There was like the reds collection, the blush nudes, the pinks, and but I went for Bare, and they look really lovely. So you've got Untouched, Sooner or Later, Whispers, Naked Beauty, and Mannequin, because I fucking love a nude. And then I got myself an SPF Pro Age UVB with vitamin E lip balm, because I got chapped lips and I'm old. And then because I did that, I got a little freebie. I got this little Love Yourself eyeshadow palette, which looks very pretty. So yeah, that was my little random haul. As I said, I will do a full video. I've got some makeup from Canada as well that I was going to test, so I'll try and do like a full face of new makeup, because I feel like I've not done a makeup video in ages. But I went out last night with my friends and I put makeup on, and I felt awesome, and I really loved doing the makeup, and I did it really, really quick, so it was like really fun to do a really fast makeup, no makeup kind of thing. So I'm going to try and do one of those. Yeah, that is the random haul. My battery's about to die. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I love you, bye.